How to join Twitter or X community. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today let's talk about joining the Twitter or X community. First, you need to have the Twitter or X application installed on your device with its latest version. You can ensure that by going to Play Store or App Store according to your device. Then simply go ahead and search for Twitter and then simply tap on update if it's available in its page. This will remove all the bugs, glitches, and solve the app problems. After this, go ahead and open your X or Twitter application on your mobile device. Now, once you're in the home screen, tap on the search bar in the bottom that is beside the home. Tap on the search bar in the top and simply search for a community that you'd like to join. Once you find the community that you'd like to join, simply tap on that and then tap on follow, which is highlighted in white color in the top left, and you'll be done. So once you follow the community, you will receive updates and be able to participate in its activities. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.